I have said it before and I will repeat it again. It is not lack of prayer. It is not lack of anointing. It is not lack of money. It is not even bad government that is making us perish in this country. It is lack of knowledge. So no matter how much you pray, no matter how much anointed, no matter how much money you have, if you lack knowledge, you will perish. You will mismanage the fund. Bad government is not the problem why we are perishing in this country, but we lack knowledge. As simple as it is, but many of you will not understand. I have said it before and I will repeat it again, that the dictionary is even more correct than most of your holy books, whether Quran or you call it Bible. Because the English word used in those books, you need to understand the English word in dictionary for you to interpret them correctly. Do you know that whenever you use the word, I will try, you are creating room for what they call failure. And when they actually say, but I told you I will try, that means you expect you will fail. That's why when you use I will try, a person like me might not actually trust you 100%. Do you know, as a living, you don't have right to use the word I can't. Because whenever you use the word I can't, you are saying that you are dead. The living can. A man might be claiming he cannot climb the electricity pole with bare hands. But when he see a lion, he will not know that he's faster than a monkey at the speed that the monkey will not even expect. A man can eat his fellow human being when the time of survival of the fittest reach. Hunger can hold you that you start seeing your fellow human being as a talking mate. But you might be thinking, I cannot do this, I cannot. You can. It's just that the situation that will make you do them have not warranted it. So check out this post, read it and let's discuss about it. Whenever you use the English word claim, you're automatically saying you don't have a proof. If I'm claiming a child, it's because there's no proof to say that the child is my own. But once I have a proof by DNA, I'm not claiming it again, the child is my own. So everyone that is claiming they are from Benin don't have a proof. They don't have evidence. Because all evidence to prove that we are not from Benin is surrounding you. That is why we are claiming it. If you are speaking Benin, bearing Benin, your village name is Benin, you don't need to claim it. Everybody know that you are from Benin. This is what we have been saying. The English word ancestor and descendant, the difference is time. In 100 years, people like us today will become an ancestor to people that will be born in 100 years to come. So when people say, I'm a descendant of Benin, my ancestors are Benin, but I'm Ikwere, you are lying to yourself, because the English word descendant and ancestor mean that you are the same. If you are descendant of Benin, you are automatically a Benin person. That is the difference. You can't tell me that a child in the 100 years that come from my lineage tomorrow will be claiming that he's not Delta Igbo. That is not Igbo. Where will he now be from? You can't be saying my descendants are from Benin and you are claiming you are not Benin. Your descendants are black, but you are claiming white, or you are claiming red India. Who are you then? What's the difference between you and those who are saying they are binary, even though they know they are woman, they are man or woman before they started doing their transgender issues? This is what we are talking about. Come to think of it, Asian is living close to Benin. Ibanke is living close to Benin. These two people are in the same geographical location called Edo State with Benin. They know they claim they are from Benin. No Ishaman claims he's from Benin. No Ibanke person claims from Benin. There are Yoruba communities in Edo State. There are Igala communities in Edo State. They never claim. People surrounding them never claim they are from Benin. You wait the distance away, whether you call yourself Ijo or you call yourself Shakiri, because you don't know that Shakiri and Ijo people are also claiming to be descendant of Benin. You, with different language, not even in the same location, how come people surrounding them, their descendants are not living far away? No, ask me. People surrounding them are not their descendants, but you that are living million miles away are their descendants. Waiting pursue the children from the kingdom, run far, leave strangers to live around his own ancestors. una go learn the English way. I no say English no be una make, but I go teach una sense.